Hi, this is attorney Stephen Spano.
And I'm attorney Andrea Witt with a legal and financial minute or two. This week, someone met with us because her spouse died, and she had a ton of questions since he was the person in the family that handled all the finances.
One of her questions was about a small bank account which was in his name alone. She was told by the bank and several other people that she had to go through the courts through a process called probate to get the money from the account since her name was not on the account.
She was very industrious and learned how to access the state website and download the probate forms. In fact, she had about 100 pages of printed documents. She decided after looking at all the documents that she also needed to help figure out which documents to file and how to complete them.
After answering all of her questions, we asked her a few questions. Based upon her answers to our questions, we determined that the information that the bank and several other people told her about going through probate was wrong. She did not have to go through the cumbersome, costly, and lengthy process of probate at all.
So what did we ask her, and why didn't she have to go through probate? We asked her in what bank was the account, what was the name of the bank? Was she sure that no one else's name was on the account, and how much money was in the account?
This was very important because there is a very little known Massachusetts law that applies only to Massachusetts banks and federally chartered banks that allows banks to give an individual money without going through probate in certain circumstances.
That law applies so long as there was no one else's name on the account who was living when her husband died, and the amount in the account was $10,000 or less, which was the case in this account.
So, the moral of today's Legal and Financial Minute or two is to seek a second opinion from an expert.
Remember, all lawyers and law firms are not the same. Seek out an expert law firm to protect you and your family.
We hope this Legal and Financial Minute or two has helped you and those you love to protect your health, your assets, your income, and preserve your way of life.
If you have something you would like us to address in one of our segments, or have questions on this or any other legal or financial topic, feel free to call or text Spano and DeWicki at 781-231-7800 or email us at help@spanodewicki.com.